Welcome. If you've ever downloaded something in Google Chrome and then struggled to find it later, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to show you the quickest way to search your downloads in Google Chrome, updated for 2025. Whether you're looking for a specific file or just want to keep your downloads organized, these steps will help you find what you need in seconds. First, open the Chrome app on your device. Make sure you're on the main screen so you can easily access the menu. Now look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the Chrome menu. Tap on those 3 dots to open up a list of options. From the menu, scroll down and tap on Download. This will take you straight to your Downloads page, where you can see a list of all the files you've downloaded using Chrome. If you have a lot of downloads, don't worry. There's an easy way to search for exactly what you need. At the top of the Downloads page, you'll notice a search bar. Tap on the search bar and your keyboard will pop up, ready for you to type. Now, simply enter the name of the file you're looking for, or even just a keyword from the file name. Chrome will instantly filter your downloads and show you any matches. This feature is incredibly helpful if you download files often and want to avoid scrolling through a long list. You can search for documents, images, videos, or any other files you've downloaded. If you find the file you need, you can tap on it to open it, or tap the 3 dots next to the file for more options like sharing or deleting. And that's it. In just a few quick steps, you can search your downloads in Google Chrome and find any file with ease. If this guide helped you, consider subscribing for more tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.